So today we'll discuss about a problem which we discussed in the classroom, right? Find the IPv6 address of host using EUI technique with SLAAC method. Okay. So here that we are given GUA global unicast address from the router. And the value is 2001 colon ABCD colon 1234 colon 5678 and colon count 64. Okay, the host part is missing. We have to find out the host part. Okay, so this is the GUA and network prefix, and this part is the host part. It's missing. Okay, we have to find out the host part. Host part yani that 64-bit interface ID. Now it's 64. We want to make that IPv6 address 128 bits. How do we make this? Okay, so when the by using this SLAAC technique, right? So in this case, the client, the DHCP client will give a request to the router. The router will provide them this GUA part with network prefix. Only 64 bits they will provide, and they will ask host. So you are sitting idle, no? Go and find your host address. Okay, so they have to find out the 64-bit host part. For that, there are two methods. One method is randomly write any value here and make it 128. But we are not going to randomly choose a value. We'll go use a technique called as EUI. Okay. So in this case, how to do this EUI method? In this method, how do we generate the 64-bit host part or interface ID? We have to first get the MAC address of your computer. You know, for every computer we have a command prompt. In that command prompt we have to use a command like ipconfig space /all. Okay, so in the command prompt you will type ipconfig space, sorry, it should be small letter. Okay, so ipconfig space /all. When you put this command you will get IP address. So in my computer my IP address is this, sorry, not IP, I want to check the MAC address. Okay, so I want to check the physical address 74-DF-BF-50-C7-50. Okay, so in the question they might have given you MAC address directly. No need for you to use this command. Just they will give you MAC address like this. They will give you GUA address. You have to find out the full 128-bit IP address or find this 64 part. Okay, 64-bit part. Now I'll discuss the three steps. Okay, the step one is divide the MAC address or physical address into two parts. Okay, so here out of 74 DFBF 50 C751, each one is 8 bit. So 88888. It is now 48 bit. What I will do, I'll divide this into two parts. That also two equal parts. So first three octets, yani 8 bits are called as octets. So this is 888, 24-bit first portion, last or remaining 24-bit second portion. That's the first step. Out of this 48-bit, I divide into two separate 24-bit. Okay. Step 2, insert a hexadecimal number fffe in between this MAC address values. Okay, so I already have 74 DFBF and I have 50 C751. In between, I will add FF and FE. Do not add any value, just add FFFE. That's a rule. Okay, you cannot add just FFF12 like that. Okay, you have to add only FFFE like this. Now what happened? The number of bits has become 64. You can count 8, 8, 8, 24, 32, then again 32. So 64 bits now. Okay. Now we made the length of the MAC address part as 64. Okay. Now step 3, flip 7th bit of newly created 64-bit host part. This is the 64-bit host part, right? MAC address, right? Flip the 7th bit. This is the first 8-bit, right? In that, I want to find out the 7th bit. So I'll start with convert this 74 into binary. Each number is a 4-digit or 4-bit. So 7, the binary is 0111. 4 binary is 0100. That you can use calculator, no problem. Okay. So see, 7 means 0111, 4 means 0100. Now what I will do, I will count the bits from 1 to 7. So this position, this is 1, this see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bit is 0. Flip the 7th bit, that's a third rule. Flip 7th bit. So 0 means 1 will come, 1 means 0. So here 7th is 0. Flip it means just put the other value. 0 is the 7th bit means put 1. So I will get 0111 and 0110. 0 1 1 I didn't make any change, so same 7. I convert that binary to decimal. When I convert 0 1 1 0 binary to decimal, I will get 6. Now this 74 df bf has become 76. See, 76 df bf ff, the remaining same. Okay, this is the 64-bit interface ID or host address. Now what I will do, I'll write this one separate 76 df bf. Now I have the separate 64-bit. How to get the new IP address? Okay, already we have 2001 colon abcd colon 1234 colon 5678. Now what we have, single colon. Okay, we want to put the remaining from this 64-bit host address or interface ID. Group these two into one part. Okay, so now we have 16. Okay, IPv6 means it is 16, not hextet, or 16, not octet. So 76df they combine into one unit, one hextet. BFFF another one hextet. FE50 another one hextet. C751 another one. So total now 16 is, each one is a hextet, and is 16 bit. So 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 16 into 8, 128 bit IPv6 address you have obtained. This is how you generate IPv6 address using SLAA with the help of EUI technique. Okay, GU is given for you only 64, remaining 64 Mafi Mojud. How do you get it? Either I can use the manual or random. I'm not using random. I want a specific technique called EUI. In that technique, you have to get the MAC address or physical address of your computer. Already the MAC address given in the question paper. Okay, this one you want to take it, and step 1, divide that into two part. As I told you, 24 24. Each one in IP before it is octet, yani hex, yani 8 bits. Okay, octet. So 24 24, step 2, divide. When you divide, no, in between you have to add fffe. Now it has become 48, has become 64. Now flip the 7th bit. So first part is 8 bit, no, in that 7th bit is this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this one, this flip. So 0 means it will become 1. Now it will become 76 df, like this. This you will make it hextet. So these two will become one hextet. Add at the end of already given GUI, you will get 128-bit IPv6 address. Okay, hope you understood. I'm going to stop the video. Okay, so stop the video.